Behind every shakuhachi by Master Zapata, there is a story that hides more than 6 years of a meticulous process, and you can see it finished in a high-end instrument. This process involves a careful selection of the perfect bamboo in the forests until its curing, parking and handmade manufacturing. Each step is carried out with patience and professionalism to achieve an exceptional sound in each flute. It is a journey that goes from the bamboo forests to the stage, ready to be played by you. Among the research work of Master Zapata and his contributions as a designer and professional musician to this ancient instrument that changed the state of the art of the shakuhachi, the cutting-edge designs of inlaid mouthpieces of high precision references Komori and Hicho Utaguchi stand out in the field of lutherie. Designs that differ greatly from the historical Japanese schools. These designs allow the interpreter a better and easier blowing and sound experience by having a better command of the tessitura of this aerophone in 3 complete registers with a very distinguished timbre and tone.